Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and I'm here with Lecture Monday with the next part in technical terms that are used in plant breeding. Starting with genetic emasculation, that is use of genetic factors to make the male gamete non-functional in self or cross-pollination. Genetic engineering is isolation of the desired gene from an organism, integration into a suitable vector, which is then further integrated into the host or organism that is known as host with the view so that the particular trait that we want to be expressed is expressed in the host. Okay, either to obtain multiple copies of the desired gene or protein produced by this gene. The gene may remain in the vector or may get integrated into the chromosome of the host. If the latter happens, it produces a transgenic organism. Next is genetic equilibrium. That is, in a random mating population, the stage in which the genotypic or genotype frequency do not change from generation to generation. That means it remains constant. It has reference to one or more genes. Genetic erosion, that is gradual loss of various forms of cultivated species and of its wild forms or relatives. Next is genetic load, that is the sum total of deleterious alleles present in a random mating or Mendelian population. The last one is genetic purity of seeds, that is freedom of seeds from seed of weeds or other crops or varieties of the same crop even. So that's it for the day. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll again come up till that. Take care. Bye bye.